You're staring at the board. The opening moves are over, and suddenly you have no idea what to do next. To bridge that gap, you need a 5-step framework based on universal chess principles, a roadmap that guides your decisions from the first pawn push to the final checkmate. This system only requires 2 things to start: basic knowledge of how the pieces move, and a board to practice on immediately. Applying these steps provides a specific objective for every phase of the game, replacing blind guesswork with a repeatable set of tactical priorities. Step 1. Claim the 4 central squares to maximize your army's mobility. Next, develop knights toward the center, followed by bishops on long diagonals. Finally, secure your king. Castle right away behind a solid wall of pawns. During this phase, avoid unnecessary pawn moves, and don't bring your queen out too early, where she can be trapped by minor pieces. Checking off these specific opening moves guarantees you a safe king and a cleared back rank. This is the foundational prerequisite for launching an attack. With step 1 complete, your back rank is clear, allowing your 2 rooks to connect. They are now in a position to mutually defend each other. This illuminated column is an open file, a lane containing no pawns. Stack your rooks to double them up, then push them to the opponent's 7th rank to tie down the king and threaten their pawn line. Properly deployed rooks act as heavy artillery, allowing you to dictate the flow of the middle game from a safe distance. Step 3. When opponents' pawns advance too far, they leave behind undefendable empty spaces called weak squares. March your knights or bishops into these holes. This creates an outpost protected by your pawns but immune to theirs. Notice the difference in placement. A centralized knight controls 8 squares in every direction, while a knight on the edge of the board has its reach cut in half. Establishing centralized minor piece outposts limits the opponent's movement and provides a launchpad for tactical strikes. Step 4 focuses on calculation. When you are ready to attack, you must prioritize forcing moves, specifically checks, captures, and threats. Forcing moves are powerful because they limit your opponent's responses, making it much easier to calculate the exact outcome of a skirmish. Avoid the trap of hope chess. This is the habit of sacrificing a piece blindly, hoping for a checkmate you haven't actually calculated. Follow the mathematical rule of sacrifice. Only give up material if the resulting sequence of forcing moves leaves you with a clear advantage. Prioritizing forcing moves clarifies your calculation, turning a complicated position into a series of logical, manageable decisions. Finally, step 5. Once most pieces are traded off the board, your king must transition from a defensive piece into an offensive attacker. You must actively centralize your king. March it out from behind the pawn shield and into the middle of the board to hunt enemy pawns. Your objective in the endgame is to create a protected passed pawn. As shown here, a passed pawn has no enemy pawns blocking its vertical path. When safely defended from behind, it becomes a permanent threat that's difficult to capture. A highly active, centralized king, working with a protected passed pawn, creates the conditions needed to force a promotion and finish the game. This 5-step battle plan provides you with a concrete objective to focus on, regardless of which stage the game has reached. You now have the sequence: establish center control, activate your rooks, exploit outposts, calculate forcing moves, and march your king in the endgame. Intellectual understanding is only the first part. To see results, you must apply these steps through repetitive, focused practice over the board. Focus exclusively on nailing step 1 in your next game, and observe how your control over the center changes the options available to your opponent.
Hope you like our video. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe us. To join our insightful chess Anurag classes, WhatsApp or call us at given number. Thanks for watching.